Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss about how to color your home as per Vastu. Now in Vastu, there are five elements: water, air, fire, earth and space. Each element is associated with one color. Water is associated with blue, air is associated with green, fire is associated with red, earth is associated with yellow and space is associated with light gray. Now, water element creates air element creates fire element creates earth element creates space, and space element creates water. Similarly, water element destructs fire destructs space destructs air destructs earth destructs water. This whole cycle is called cycle of creation. Now all these elements is also associated with one zone or direction. From northwest to northeast is associated with water, hence its color is blue. Similarly, from east northeast to east southeast is associated with green. From southeast to south is associated with red. From southwest and southwest is associated with yellow, and from west southwest to northwest is associated with light gray. Now, how do you know that in your home which room is associated with which direction or zone? For that, you can see I have taken one example here. This is an example of one home's plan. Now, you have to draw one diagonal line like here, and also draw another diagonal line like this, and both these diagonal line intersect in a center point. This is called the center of your home. Now place one compass there. By using this compass, you can calculate the direction of each your room. Now outcome of this calculation is like this. You can see that half of my living room is falls under blue zone. Part of my bedroom is falls under blue zone and also falls under green zone, and likewise. Now I have mentioned here the permissible color of each zone. Here you can see that blue zone has the permission of color blue and green. Green zone has the permission of color green and red. And red zone has the permission of color red and yellow. Yellow zone has the permission of color yellow and gray. And gray zone has the permission of color gray and blue. So according to this permissible color, you have to color your home. Now, again I am going back to that design. Here you can see that this bedroom falls under blue and green zone. In that case, you have to color this bedroom as green. Why? Because blue zone also has permissible color of green, and green is already has permission of green. That's why. Now, Here I am showing you some permissible color of blue zone. Here I have taken some blue color and also some variation of green color. Always try to start with light colors like light shade of blue or light shade of green. Now this is the permissible color of east zone, east northeast to east southeast. Here I have taken the shades of green which are permissible, but you can also take the blue. Sorry, in the east or in the green zone is permissible with red and green, not blue. Now in the red zone, these are the permissible color. And in the yellow zone, which is south southwest and southwest, these are the shades of yellow color are permissible. Similarly, in the gray zone, these are the permissible color. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.